wheels and axle. This is heavy load and we can't push it because frictional force and gravitational force makes it heavy. The frictional force keeps it in place and gravitational force keeps it in place once so because we can't lift it and it creates weight on the object. So we will use wheels and axle. This is wheels. This is axle. Now we have to make these like we have to make this like we have to make two of these. Now when we add the heavy object on it, it's much easier to move because it reduces the frictional force.